Imagine a creature that can survive for weeks without food, live for days without a head, and even eat soap or paper. Sounds like a monster from a horror movie, right? Well, it's not. It's a cockroach. And believe it or not, these tiny survivors have been around for more than 300 million years. Cockroaches are masters of survival. Their resistance is astonishing, but also terrifying because they can carry dangerous bacteria that threaten your family's health. Even though they're small, they contaminate food and surfaces, making them some of the most unwelcome guests you'll ever have in your home. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you two simple, natural, and highly effective methods to get rid of cockroaches. The best part? You probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen. Before we start, one key step. Clean the area thoroughly, especially leftover food. If you keep feeding cockroaches, they'll never leave, no matter what method you try. For the first method, we'll make a powerful natural spray using just 3 household ingredients. Start with 300 milliliters of water, then add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. The sulfur compounds and strong odor disturb cockroaches' senses and drive them away. Next, pour in about 100 milliliters of vinegar. Its smell repels insects, and it also disinfects the surfaces they crawl on. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Cockroaches hate its refreshing scent. Let the mixture sit for a few hours, then strain it. If it's too strong, dilute with a little water. Place this mixture in a spray bottle and spray it around your kitchen, bathroom, and any areas where you've seen cockroaches. Repeat daily for best results. Persistence and cleanliness are the key here. The second method is more of a bait, and it's just as easy to make. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of dry yeast. The sugar attracts the cockroaches. The baking soda creates gas inside their bodies, which they can't expel, and the yeast speeds up the process through fermentation. Place this mixture on small plates or in corners where you've noticed cockroach activity. It works silently but effectively. And there you have it. 2 powerful, natural methods to drive cockroaches away and protect your home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends so they can benefit too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on how to get rid of pests using baking soda.